In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily log into your QuickBooks account for seamless financial management. Whether you're checking on your business expenses, reconciling your accounts, or preparing for tax season, being able to swiftly access your QuickBooks account is essential. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can log in without any hassle. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com. It's always a good idea to ensure you're visiting the correct URL to safeguard your account's security. Once you've reached the QuickBooks homepage, you'll see an option at the top right corner that says Sign In or similar, directing you to the login page. Ensuring you start from the correct site helps maintain your secure login process and avoid phishing scams that might try to mimic the official QuickBooks site. Now, once you're on the appropriate sign-in page, you'll need to enter your user ID. This is typically the email address you used when you initially set up your QuickBooks account. Make sure you double check this for any typos, as mistaken entries could result in a blocked or delayed access. It's a good practice to bookmark this login page if you're planning to access it frequently, saving you the trouble of typing in the URL each time. Next, proceed to enter your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so be mindful of any capitalized letters or special characters. If your browser or password manager suggests pre-filling this information for you, make sure it inputs the correct details to avoid unnecessary complications. In the instance that you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option labeled Forgot Password near the password field that you can click to initiate a reset process. Security is paramount, so if offered, consider enabling two-factor authentication for an additional layer of protection. Once you have double-checked your user ID and password for accuracy, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will commence the login process and bring you into your QuickBooks dashboard. From here, you have access to all your financial data, tools, and insights that QuickBooks offers to help manage your finances efficiently. Logging into your QuickBooks account is the first step toward maintaining up-to-date records and ensuring your business runs smoothly. These streamlined steps are designed to help you access your account without complications so you can focus on more important things like growing your business. Thanks for watching, and now you can get started managing your finances with ease. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials to enhance your QuickBooks experience.